Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video as we continue the rebuild process on my super cheap Copart S55 AMG. You've heard the saying, you know, the devil's in the details. If that's true, Satan lives in my car. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, we're doing lots of miniature work today because we have a lot of little fiddly bits. Lots of little fiddly bits that we're going to be addressing here under the hood and of course on the side of the AMG. So let's get to work. Let's do some little stuff. Still, you're going to find it fascinating. You're going to enjoy every minute of it. As you can tell, Lola is completely infatuated with the video. Yeah, she could care less what I'm doing. She found her tennis ball. Small job day starts with, there we go, cup of coffee. Thanks to my old employer, Fox 25. All right, we're going to enjoy a little coffee. Yep, that's some good stuff. Because now we're going to do something Mike doesn't like. Okay, he's not real good at this. These are the wires coming from the new, washer fluid nozzles that shoots it up into the windshield, you know, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, we found out where they go. Here's from the new part. This is from the old. Whoever stole the hood just cut it. Okay, so all we're going to do, match these up, solder these together, and we're going to be good to go. Okay, this is not a big hard process. Randy kind of taught me how to do this. So we're going to get these all soldered up. We've taken these off because they're going to be painted. All right, we have all the little nuts and bolts. Those are going to be painted. Okay, this is just a temporary. That's a temporary. That's a temporary. This came from another car. They're already painted and good to go. Isn't that beautimous? Yeah, that's gorgeous. Okay, so let's get to soldering. We're going to solder these up and we'll give it a shot. We'll see if it works for us, okay? Let's do that. Now we're going to focus on, oh, look at how gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous. Are you gorgeous? Yeah. Yeah. Will you fist bump? Sit. Sit. Fist bump. There you go. Good girl. That was kind of a fist bump. We're still working on that. Okay. These are all of the little bolts that we have painted that go here and here and here and here and here on both sides. And now she's interrupting me again with the floor mat. Hey. No, it's my floor mat. You don't get to be in every scene, in every video, okay? This is my channel. It's my channel. Okay, so basically we're just gonna replace the bolts and make this all nice and lined up and all pretty. Okay, so this is super easy. You guys have seen 1,000 people do this. You don't have to watch me. So we'll do a little fast motion. Fun continues. Yeah, how about that? We have all these little side skirt pieces that we painted. We're going to put them on, and I don't know if this is left or right. We're just going to see how it goes. All right, let's just kind of do this and just kind of play it by ear. Here we go. We're going down, we're going down, we're going down. We're going up, we're going up, we're going up. Okay, how about that? Okay, so let's do this. I guess it just goes through there. There we go. How about that? What do you think? Do you like it? Lola, what do you think? Do you like it? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Get your... Lola, get away. Nope, this must be for the other side. Let's not break it. Let's not break it. Okay, let's try this one. How about that? Look at that. That's beautiful. Okay, so that means this one goes to the other side. So we'll go over here. You're killing me today, Lola. You really are. You're killing me. And this should fit just right there. Is there a little plastic thing? Hello. Oh, he's broken. Okay. Don't have any extras. Okay, well, we're just going to put it on there. We know it's going to be good. Okay. Beautimus. Beautimus. We got two more. Then we got a front fender and a back fender. So let's see which is which. This guy's kind of attached. Yeah. You came with the car. So, there. There. Okay, that looks good. We're making progress. Here's another one. Okay. Now, these look the same. Okay. So I'm going to put you in here. And look, she's gorgeous. Front and back. Front and back. Do it in the front. Or do we do it in the back? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was horrible. That was really bad. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it in the front first. I cracked myself up. Okay, here we go. Let's aim. Where is it? There you go. Yeah. Do it in the front. Bump, bump. Do it in the front. Come on out. Oh, shit. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay, we're just trying to get this out without breaking it, because I want to reuse this on the side piece. Okay. So, does that look like a fit? Or does that look like a fit? No, that doesn't look like a fit. This one, I'm guessing. Or does it go like that? Or, this is too confusing. All right, this is too much. Okay, we got to think about this. Okay. When in doubt, look up the part number. We could do that. Or we could just fake it. Let's see if we can just fake it. Okay, so I'm thinking that is a little higher. So I'm thinking this. Yeah, that's how it goes, just like that. See? Look at that. Okay, so let's take this arrow thing out. A little attachment. We're just going to get her out. Okay. We're going to put you in like this. Okay. Now, look. See? See? Okay. Look. Oh, much better. That doesn't bother me because the rest of the bumper is even worse. Okay, now let's do it in the back. I'm sorry. That's tacky and immature, but it's still funny. Still kind of funny. Okay, can you see? Lola wants to say hi. Yeah, that's her hair right there. Okay, so let's see. Uh-oh. I don't think this is it. This is incorrect. This one is incorrect. Okay. We're not going to fret. We're not going to fret. Okay? We're just going to leave it like that for now. For my next trick, yep, we're going to replace the little shock topper. See? We painted them. Don't they look much, much, much better? The paint is still kind of soft, so we're going to be very careful with this. But all I did, unplug this, pop it off. Battery was, of course, unplugged. And, excuse me, I just gave him a quick little shot of Rust-Oleum and some lovely silver. Metallic silver, number 744, I think is what is the paint coat on this, if I remember right. Yeah, brilliant silver metallic. Yeah, my memory's not that bad. So we're going to clean this up. Quick little wipe down. Because nothing's too good for baby. Nothing's too good for baby. Except new parts. We'll just get using used ones, okay? And look, see? Much, much better, okay? 3 little 13 millimeter nuts. And we'll have this car looking so much better. Isn't that so much better? Okay, we'll go to the other side. Give this one a little wipe down too. Okay. See how much better she looks and she feels, and eventually we're going to get her out on the road. Yep. Okay, that's gorgeous. That's good enough. Nothing's good enough. Well, everything's good enough for baby. Yeah, she's a piecemeal car. Okay, so I don't want to push too hard on the paint. There it is. All right, we'll tighten these up.
All right, that's going to do it. We're going to end another video on this series called the S55 AM. She's lost it. She's just absolutely lost it. What are you doing? What are you doing right there, huh? Yeah, playing the leaves, get dirty, and then you get to bath. Yeah, I love to give my dog a bath. Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you very much for liking and subscribing. Please share. Please tell the world about all that is going on in the Monkey Wrench Mike Kingdom. And we have another video coming up because we still have to work on this. You feeling good?
I'm all right. I'm okay. Yes, I'm feeling very, very good. Bye, everybody.
Doing the bop.